I'm re-recording the intro real fast because it was just the worst, most rambly bullcrap you ever heard. We're talking about the trailer today, talking about I installed the range, the friggin' dryer, the washer, and I'm talking about my new job. There's some actually kind of funny moments in this video, so please watch it. Thank you. I need to do... Motherfucker. So, at the time I upload this, which will be in like 2 days, the day before 4th of July, well, I'm gonna be a dad, for one. Congratulations me. My wife is getting her labor induced on Friday at 8 o'clock in the morning, so by the time this gets uploaded in the evening, I'll be a dad. So, yippee. It's been 3 weeks since my last upload. What have I been doing? I'll tell you, I've been doing jack shit. I mentioned in the last video that I started a new job. I'm so tired all the time. I've said the schedule is 4 10s, an 8, and then an 8 every other Saturday. And it's a foundry job, and we're in a heat wave in Indiana, Northwest Indiana. Actually, a lot of the region is in extreme heat warnings. It's so terrible. But don't you worry, they feed us friggin' Squinchers ice pops like non-stop. It's especially draining this week. It's kind of good timing. So I injured myself my second week I was there, last week. We produce cast iron boiler sections. I'm gonna try my best to not dox my workplace, but there's only a couple places in Indiana that do that. I don't even know if there's more than one. I'm gonna stop giving y'all ideas. One of them fell on me, and I tried to catch it. Or I guess it fell at me, I tried to catch it. Slammed on my wrist. Now my wrists don't go all the way back. You see, I can do that with that. I can't do it with this one. So my wrist has been messed up. I haven't been able to work on this house. I haven't been able to accept side work. I haven't been able to work at work. You know, but it's a union job, so, you know, they let me come in. It sucks. It was kind of nice for a day or two. It's nice that it's during the heat wave that I don't have to do anything. So that's where I've been the past 3 weeks. I've literally just been at work. I get paid this Friday, so I'll get to tell you guys if it's friggin' worth it. There's like a couple of things I've done since I last uploaded. I believe in that video, I mentioned that the day I uploaded it, I was going to be installing the gas range, the dryer, and washing machine. Did I do any of that for a week after? No, I didn't. I don't have so much footage of stuff I've been doing, but I had a couple of neat little repairs that I wish I recorded, but I get home from work, I'm so tired, I just want to get it done and go to bed. I'll just kind of do it chronologically. So, the gas stove. It was really simple. It smells like Warhammer goop. I don't even play Warhammer. I just like the little guys. I just fucking said it. Make sure you get the dope all over the outside of it. That's... Alright, if you're getting to the point where you're twisting that regulator, it's probably fine. I don't need dope anymore. You can tell it's a compression fitting because that jiggles a little. So you always want to do it most of the way by hand if you can. That goes with anything that you screw. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it. Yeah, wrestle this hose. Damn it. Oh shit. Oos, oos, oos. That's real good. Ugh, shit. Ah, fuck. I maybe hear a little gas. Maybe I turned it too much. Let's put it straight up and down. That's what I would think is on. I hear it flowing. Oh, we have fire. Yeah, so I was kind of right. It was the only thing that actually went according to how it was supposed to. I get the gas hose kit from Menards. It comes with a special little like leak detecting valve. Whatever. I stick it on the valve stem. I stick it in the on the range, plug it in, and it works. Boom. Easy day. I overdose on Blue Monster, good to go. Blue Monster being a PTFE paste. You put it on the threads to stop the gas from leaking out. Not like I'm not an emo goth girl sipping on Monster Energy. I do that in the mornings, but I drink Zero Sugar Monster. The original Zero Sugar Monster. It's so good. It tastes like battery acid, but not as much as White Monster. The stove went unbelievably easy. I'm full of confidence. Let's go work on this dryer and washer. The same people that make the flex hose for the range, they make one for the dryer. Comes with that special little part that is supposed to detect leaks or something like that. So I start working on the dryer and it's going great. Like you'd expect. I screw the friggin' thing into the stem and then I try and screw the other bit into the dryer. I realize I sound extremely unintelligent. I try screwing it in. Gas goes where? Is this electric? Is this an electric dryer with fucking a 240 volt? Hang on. Do electric dryers run on a 240 volt plug? It's got a damn fire emoji on it. Oh, I see it. All the way down. Alright. So it's a female. Oh, I need a female. Boop. Watch out. No regulator or anything on it. Hup. Oh, you're fucking me. It's what? What in the non-standard? What? It's gotta be shitting. And I guess you would call it the barb coming out of the dryer, because it's a male end. It's about a 1/4 inch smaller than the female end and they give you an adapter too that the kit comes with. So I'm like, great, that sucks. And then I'm like, I'm gonna work on the washer. I've got the garden hose fittings is what they're called. That's what they're called. So I get all that hooked up, and then I find I should have looked at it before, but I find the drain hose that, you know, you open up the washer and your drain hose is usually in there, and it's just wrong for my setup. I'm gonna overlay the solution I have for that, and it's working. So I'm not gonna touch it. I got one of those rubber, I guess you'd call it like a reducing adapter, that you pipe clamp on, or they're hose clamps that you hose clamp on. It's so jank, and you can see I stuffed a plastic bag in there because it was still too small. The drain tube was still too small. But like I said, it's working. There's no sewer smell, so I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna complain. The solution for the dryer was a little more elegant. Turns out that male end was a 1/4 inch, and all I needed was a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch stainless steel reducing adapter. The only problem there was that it was double female, so it turned the male into a female. So I had to use a different bit, which luckily came in the kit for the hose end. And that's it with those. It's not really rocket science. I'm screwing stuff together. One interesting little repair I did that saved my wife a lot of headache, because for some reason she's been getting into plumbing. I don't know why. Probably because I'm lazy as shit and she wants her fucking bathtub. But she didn't fix the shower. She's been cleaning the shower and getting it ready to use. It's good now. It's good now. She noticed that there was a leak behind the wall in the shower. So what I did, just one night, I'm like, well, let me see what's wrong with it. I take off the access panel. I visually inspect it. Nothing looks wrong with it. So I just hand tighten the friggin' connection. And I'm like, turn it on, see if it leaks. No leaks. Bone dry. So then I put just for future's sake, I put a little wooden platform on there. And I have water sensors. I put one of those under where it was leaking. And it hasn't been going off. Those things are very loud. I would hear it through the wall. So that's one of the neat little repairs. That's actually, I think, the only neat little repair I did. And other than that, I haven't been doing anything. Oh, I really wish I got some video of any of this. We were having very bad storms a couple weeks ago here in Northwest Indiana. And our shed got flipped over, moved a couple yards, and just destroyed. I couldn't, just flip it back over. It's one of those crappy sheet metal ones. I tried using my Sawzall, didn't work that good. Tried using my circular saw, didn't work that good. So I went out and I just bought some aviation snips and tore it up. And then here's the best part about this. I posted on Facebook Marketplace, hey, if anyone wants this for sheet metal value or scrap value, come and get it. And it was gone the same freaking day. It can't have been worth that much. It was steel. Steel is not worth like anything. It's I don't know. Point is, someone took my shed. My shed has been stolen. Yeah, that's literally all I've been going on. All I've been up to. Even things have even gone downhill. You'll notice my knife cabinet isn't up there anymore because I kept hitting it with the top of this and it fell over. And I just haven't been bothered to do anything with it. So I need to figure out something to do with this background. I want to put my flag here, but I feel like that's like too much of the same kind of vibe. I don't know. I'll work it out. I have a 3-day weekend, but like I said, I'm going to be a dad this weekend. So who knows, man? I just wanted to give y'all a little update video. When I get some money, we're going to start working on the Mustang again. I never made a full-length video about the Mustang, but we're going to start working on the Mustang. I have a lot of ideas kicking around. I just need money. More videos coming soon. I'm getting used to the work schedule, so I might not sleep all day. I think bi-weekly is a good thing to aim for. Weekly might be a bit ambitious, but I should be able to do bi-weekly uploads. We'll see. Keep it real. That's not my outro.